No need to thank me.
No need for final words.
No need to be afraid.
No need to apologize. That was years ago.
I apologize.
No need.
Your kinsman may have no need to write a will.
There's no need. I already have.
You filthy pirate!
No need for name calling.
Absolutely. Please have a seat.
Oh, no, there's no need. No need to talk about it. He's gone.
No need, Okoye. I can handle this alone.
There's no need to panic. I can fix this.
Oh, please. There's no need for that.
I'm off.
There's no need.
I've got an early start in the morning.
There's something I ought to tell you.
No. No need to tell me anything.
There's no need to stop me, Peter.
I thought I'd have to die before we'd have that dance again.
No need for drastic measures.
Yes, I sleep with every American you send my way.
No need to explain.
Huh.
I'll get another pen.
No need. I'll sign it when I get back.
What? I eat when I'm upset, okay?
Oh, no need to explain.
Make arrangements.
No need. I already know exactly where I'm going.
How's the reading coming along?
It's much better. But I still haven't got to the end of that story.
No need. You are the end of the story.